Good morning, boys and girls. I'm starting to miss you guys a lot, but we have these videos which make me happy every time I get to make you one. All right, so let's start with our mood meter for today. Let's see how everybody's feeling. I can tell you what I'm feeling. I am feeling pretty proud right here in the yellow because I got so many videos yesterday and pictures of you guys working on things and you guys writing. I got videos of Jace. I got videos of our pictures of Elijah. I talked to Kingston's mom. And I know you guys are working, and that makes me so happy. So I am definitely up here in the yellow, feeling proud. Let's see how you're feeling. Go ahead and figure out and check in and see how you're feeling right now. Remember, maybe you're in the green, maybe you're in the yellow, like me. Maybe not. Maybe you're mad. Maybe something happened. Maybe you're not feeling good or you're tired. Just think about how you're feeling. Parents, you can check in too, or grandparents, see how you're feeling. Hopefully, you're also feeling over here. Maybe you're also over here, though. I understand. Okay, let's move on to the next page now that we've all kind of checked our mood. And remember, if you're feeling any of these, try to think about ways to bring yourself, kind of back out a bit. All right, next page. All right, so let's go ahead and do our date. Our date. Here we go. Oh, that's another reason I was excited. Today is what? The first day of spring. How exciting. There's actually going to be a video in your lessons today. One of the Brain Pop videos about spring. I know you guys like Brain Pop, so there is a Brain Pop video about spring today. If you guys want to check that out. And if you don't have access to that link or something happens, you can always just go to Brain Pop Junior. It's all free right now. And go to the one about spring. But it is on my blog in the lessons for today. All right, so now that we moved it to today, yesterday was Thursday. Today is Friday. Today is Friday. Let's go ahead and count to today. Everybody count out loud with me, okay? Practice your counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Today is the 20th. Go ahead and try to write the 20 on your paper by yourself. If you don't have paper, pause it and go get your paper right now. Okay. Did you try to write a 20? See if it matches this. It should be a 2 and a 0. If that's what you wrote, kiss your brain. If you didn't write that, it's okay. Write it right now. A 2 and a 0. And now try to find the 2 and the 0 down here in these numbers. Did you find it? If you find it, put your finger on your knee. Touch your knee. I'm touching my knee because I found it. Yes, it's right here. You're right. So let's move it up to today. It's the 20th. All right, let's say the date together, okay? Today is Friday, March 20th, 2020. Okay, great job. All right, let's move. Oh, no, let's not go to the next page. Actually, let's count and see how many days until the baby chicks come. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days. Oh my goodness, 10 days till they come. When you do your science lesson, you'll be able to get more information about what's happening on today for incubation. Now, look, boys and girls, it's about to be the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, so there's no school, not even at home, unless your parents have you doing something extra. That's which is fine, but I won't be making new lessons for Saturday and Sunday. So we will have lessons again and calendar again on Monday, okay? And we'll come back to that on Monday. All right, let's keep going. All right, let's figure out what the weather is. Let's figure out what the weather is. Now, like I said, we all do this at different times. If I do this in the morning and it's not sunny yet, then you might have different weather if you go check the weather. But go ahead right now and go look out the window wherever you are if you can and see what the weather is. I'm going to see if we can, I think I changed it so we can actually check the weather. We'll, we'll see if it works. You may or may not be able to see this. So We're going to click right here. So this is the weather for March 20th. And it says it's going to be 83 degrees, which is pretty warm. And it says it's going to be, look, partly cloudy. Go see if you see partly cloudy if you look out the window. And if you do, we can go ahead right here and we can erase this. And we're going to have our first partly cloudy day. I think I am going to use yellow. So let's color that in. And now how many partly cloudies do we have? That's right, we have 1. Very good. Because when you have zero things and you add 1, you have 1. If you had 0 cookies and somebody gave you 1 cookie, how many cookies did you have? 1. So that's why we have 1 right now. So very good. Oh, I see what you noticed. 2 of these are equal again. There's actually 2 sets that are equal. See if you can figure out which ones are equal. Good. I heard you say it. I heard you guys say partly cloudy and rainy were equal, and snowy and windy are equal. These 2 have 0, and these both have 1. Now, which one has the most? Which one has the most? That's right. Cloudy still has the most because it has 6. Great job on the weather, everyone. All right, let's figure out how many days we have left in kindergarten. We are going to erase one for today. Boop. We're going to erase this. And now we've been practicing every day. I want you to try to count by tens and by ones and figure out how many days are left in kindergarten. And I know you might already know because you might just be thinking, well, you took 1 away. I know what's 1 less than 48. But I want you to try to count and practice just to make sure you're practicing counting by tens. Go ahead. I know you know how to do it. All right, let's do it together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Awesome. I know that's what you got too. So 47, let's write 47 on our paper, okay? Everybody write a 4. The 4 comes first because we have 4 tens. And then we have to write a 7. And that's how many ones we have. So yours should look like this. 47. 47. Very, very good. Great job. All right. 47 days left. Next page. All right, let's think about our snap word of the day. Let's see what it's going to be. Let me erase our sentence. Yesterday, our snap word was what? What's this word? Will. That's right. Will. Let's figure out our snap word for today. We are going to do this snap word. Are you ready? Let's write it with red. All right, our snap word is, I'm going to start writing it, see if you can figure it out. What's that word? All. That's right. All, which rhymes with the word we did the other day, which was ball. Remember, if we put a B in the front, it would be ball. Oops. Remember that? And now it's ball. Pretty cool. But we are just going to talk about the word all today. So I want you to do step 1 and read it. Say all. Very good. Now let's study it. What do we see? Tell me how many vowels. That's good. It's 1 vowel. What is it? A. Good. How many consonants do we see? How many consonants? Yep, 2. 1, 2. And they're both the same. They're both L's. And the L's are both tall letters. That's good. How many parts does all have? Let's clap it out. All. Just 1 part. Good. So I think you've studied it. I think we've talked about all of the things. Let's spell it together. Let's spell it. Ready? A L L. Very good. Now you spell it by yourself. Good job. Now it's time to write it. I know that's your favorite part. So let's write it. Let's write it right now. I'm going to use blue actually to write it again. You go ahead and try to write it by yourself though, on your paper. Very good job. Let's write it together. A L L. Very good. Now our step 5 of how to learn a word is to use that word, and we use it, remember, when we read and when we write. So let's write a sentence right now. Go ahead and try to think of your own sentence if you want, or we can write a sentence together. Okay, I'm ready to write a sentence together if we want to. How about we will say, let's say, we ate all the cookies. We ate all the cookies. Let me put my hand over here. Can you see that? All right, we ate all the cookies. How many words? 5 words. So plan that on your paper right now. Use your pencil or your finger to point it and let's plan it out. We ate all the cookies. All right, let's go ahead and write. Now, we is a snap word. You should know that, and it should be uppercase because it's the first word of a sentence. That's right. Okay, we. W E. We. All right, now we need a finger space, right? We ate. What do we hear? We hear an A. Ate. Ate. I hear a T. Now, some of you might be thinking that says at. That's not ate, and you're right. So a trick is to make that A say A instead of a. There's actually an E on the end. That E makes this A say A instead of a. So that's how we spell ate. We ate. All right, finger space. And here's our snap word. We ate all. So let's write all. A L L. We ate all the. Now I know you all know how to spell the. Put a finger space and you write the. You don't even need me to tell you. I know you can do it. We ate all the. Perfect. We ate all of the cookies. Okay, let's clap out cookies. Cookies. All right, that's 2 parts, so we need to make sure we have all of that. Now, here's what I'm thinking. Cook. The first part, that sounds a lot like look, and that's a snap word. And I know look is L-O-O-K. So if look has an L at the beginning, what would cook? I bet it looks like this. I bet it's C-O-O-K. That's cook. We ate all the cook. Or that's that part. Cookies. I hear an E. And then what do you hear at the end? E's. Yep, an S. We ate all the cookies. And we can put an exclamation point because we ate all the cookies. Very good. Let's read that together. Ready? We ate all the cookies. You know, you could draw a picture of that if you wanted to. You could draw some cookies, press pause, draw your picture, and then turn the page. Up to you. Or we can do math with cookies on the next page. Great job on your snap word. All right, so let's do some math. I'm going to erase all of this. Hope you guys are having fun doing calendar with everyone, getting all your work done. I really am proud of you. All right, so let's do one about cookies since we were talking about cookies. So I am going to draw I'll just draw some chocolate chip cookies. I really like this brown that I picked earlier today. I don't know how to get a better brown. That looks like a better brown. We'll try that one. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw some cookies. Let's think of a story problem. Let's see, who can I talk about today? How about Caroline? Let's see how many cookies Caroline ate. I think Caroline had 5 cookies. 1, and you can draw some chocolate chips in there if you want to. That was a big chocolate chip, but it'll do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 cookies that Caroline ate. Here's my chocolate chips. You can draw chocolate chips in yours if you want to. I wish that would stop happening. Miss Thompson's trying. Well, these cookies look crazy, but we know they're cookies, right? That's all that matters. All right, so here's 5 cookies. Let's write a 5. And then let's see who this is going to be today. How about we say this is Elijah, and Elijah only had one cookie. Maybe I cannot mess this cookie up. Perfect. There's Elijah's cookie, so let's write a 1. Now, let's see how many cookies Caroline and Elijah had together if we add them together. Go ahead and count them on your paper and see how many did they eat if you put them together. Did you now write your answer down? See if you match mine. Ready? Everybody have it? All right, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that what you got? Very good. So they ate 6 cookies. Let's write our equation. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Great job on your math, boys and girls. Great job on all your work this week. This has been a strange week, I know, and it's different not being at school. And we miss you a bunch, and we hope everybody's enjoying these calendar lessons. I know me and Miss All and Miss Johnson and Miss Balser are always talking and trying to figure out new things to do for you guys. So hopefully we can send some new videos next week too. So enjoy all your lessons today. Keep being super smart, and I will see you guys on Monday in our videos, okay? Bye, everyone. Love you.